Kikhubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors, the all-new Altros. Now, with more exciting features.
Ka District School Education Officer West Giant Hills District haka santrik nailor arja apulai kala Pynkup Burom yagi Nonghikai Skul haka jingrakhi yaga Teachers Day kabala long ha District Library Auditorium Jawai haka bala sakhilang do sembut Menteri Rangba Jala oba senyau bahalang dhar kum kongsan u MLA Joko Jawai ba wailat miki shala kum sembut kongsan u Deputy Commissioner uba BS Solia u Superintendent of Police uba C30 ka District School Education Officer jong West Giant Hills District ka kong APCA bat kiwi
Kesniu kerpang, kesniu kemen, berok yang elang, si bentang kemurang, ikan ini, enam orang ini, yang kelukos yang kaya kam kesniu kerpang, kesniu Justin, Nonghikai, kumiyayang manpi kam kibekipa, kikipunyo, kibiyaki. Manpi kam seni ko jinche wan do ngai manpi kam slap yo lai ni yak tro nesti benun pi por untuk yo kot sky benyo ro pi ye kor ha ko ti u ha ulah.
Possibility is because of our soldiers, that is, the soldiers of education is the teachers. So the best teacher, the good teacher, he knows how to reply to the bad student. And he says that, my dear student, you know there is so many languages in this world. There is bad languages, there is good languages. You know who cover them up? Only one smile. And he smiled to us and we are satisfied and we didn't demand this renewal anymore. That is the best teacher. The best student is always face the bad teachers. Because the bad teachers, they are bad for what? To make us proud. To make us proud. It's because of you that we are here. Because of you that we are here. You are the steering of the state and the nation as a whole. And one thing I cannot forget it also. Teacher is one of its quality. No matter how much pay they get from the government or from private sector, but they treat their student always in the best directions. That is the best teachers. That's why as the MLA of the state of Meghalaya, today is the first Teachers' Day celebration I attend, madam. Today is the first one. Today is the first one. And I remember during my school times, we faced very much challenges. You know, there is a grumbling every now and then, every session between the teachers and the students. And without that, no student is perfect. We may debate each other, we may scold each other, we may curse each other, we may grumbling each other. But last solution is, we should remember that our second mother is our beloved teachers as a student. Embukment. That same them come kita tahu plus minus, we should know what does it mean. He was making what implementnya. Kali buat cara implement dalam step na. To ask your leader, I have to listen both. I keep it in abeyance for the time being. And I have keep in abeyance. Semua you encourage. You want sincere duty yogi. Quite improve we. You get the duty in the days to come. The hajar-hajar government, the Burom, education sector, Mduna gali hajar ku tisnam sutulobi. Nei bentaw kamon urwan ra eg student gi kon go mayai yo man gi klor yo gari. And only ways we can do it, we should be a teamwork and between all of us. Kan itu quality. Da percang sanction kan yo rok di skul kamu pikat ku yigi. Mbam ke sarkar go jo sanction digi nyakhat nyaus pak khat pras pak tali skul building. Maybe 3 lakhs, maybe 4 lakh per building. MDA government could let me come around. Could have been to look at me walai. Could have perchangi pai one challenge go face me. Could have perchangi penjam hagi one bentago sarkar job. Murbo sarkar ye go let bro ejai. But we are here in the chairs. We are sleepless because of our own children in the whole state. Tubon na perchangi, wakamon protect childhood education, kamon increase, kamon pun climb Nonghikai go mayayo man go most qualified teachers. Kamon pun create a skill development program kran like student we are nine like man go dakai. Kamon pun create a scholarship ni course kran we bentag di godu jingarapi. Kamu pun klinik school building, kamu pun klinik additional school building. Kini orang tu, ni beritawa, yo mangi kori keluar dari hak sini pengalaman. Tamu dulu we student, emi katuan ini, you should be a fighter. You should be a fighter. Kamu ini, the best student always face the bad teachers, and the good teacher always face the bad student. Thawang gamte entau wasik Nonghikai wasiki kamu pun bahaya pi. Disket gua bahapala la yo omon gikon student ni mangi gua entau gua kira ustam.